Hi there. Welcome to the Writing and Publishing page for beginners. I'm Sydney Brown and I am your memoir mastermind. Now, my goal is to help people help people. And I would like to tell you just a little bit about myself real quick so that you know who you're taking advice from and lessons from as you follow. I believe in empowering others to help others. I want them to learn how to share their overcomer stories. You've gone through the overcoming story. You did it. You created your own story, but I want to be able to help you learn how to put it into words and to share it with others so you can help others with your story. I believe in helping people find their voice so that they can communicate and grow in their own confidence. When you can live in a confidence from within, then you're better able to make better choices. And it's a life goal. That really is. I don't want to get too coachy, but as a person who probably should have had mentors when I was younger, I genuinely believe that you should learn your confidence at a younger age. So I really want to help people find their voice and live in their confidence. I also believe in encouraging others to take more active roles in helping other people. So they could do that by sharing their stories, whether from generation to generation or from, experts to people who need to learn the lessons. Those things matter, and I can help you learn how to put all of that into the written word, into a book format, and if you choose to publish it or share it with others. So do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe, and feel free, please, to like the individual videos, comment below, and then you'll also find in the descriptions below, we have free writing groups, and we have a lot of resources for you. There are, in fact, entire courses that are absolutely free on this channel. So subscribe now, come back and find me on social media. We'll talk soon. Thanks.